Hello beautiful viewers and welcome back to your favorite baking channel, Baking with Chef Tonde. In this episode I'm going to show you how to make use of our previously baked chocolate sponge. Remember, in our previous episode I was showing you how to make a perfect chocolate sponge, which is fluffy, moisty and well structured. So here is our perfect chocolate sponge. So I'm going to show you how to make just a basic chocolate slice, chocolate cake slice. So what you need to do, you have your sponge. It is still uncut and tempered. So what you do, we need to make the normal chocolate cake slice. So it will be just a basic one. So what do you need to do? What you need your sugar water, which is basically warm water with sugar and a bit of jam inside, apricot jam. And I have my ganache here. If you go to our previous episode, you will see how to make ganache. We did that, which is just melted chocolate and cream, normal cream. And I have my butter, chocolate butter cream, which is just icing sugar, cocoa powder and butter. Basically that's all that you need, and your palette knife. And I need a knife just to cut. So what do we do? Here is our chocolate sponge. So what do? We're gonna make use of the whole sponge, because we don't want to leave anything up. So we're gonna use the whole sponge and have our chocolate slices. So what do? You cut in half, just like this. Then we have two pieces like this. So we will just try to level it a little bit, because it's sagging a little bit in the middle. So we just want it to be a little bit level, just like this. So the sugar water, now you just drizzle it on with the jam, and then it makes the cake more moist and increases the shelf life of your slice. So you need to put some apricot jam and warm water, or warm water and sugar. It will be more like a syrup, but not like so the texture mustn't be too much like a syrup. It's just like cold sugar and water, just sweet enough. Then what do? You put your, this is our butter cream. Then you take your other half. What do? Just put on top. And what do? Just shape. Just to shape it. And we're gonna make use of this, of course. So that's why I deliberately it will move with ease. It's just a normal chocolate slice, nothing fancy, just a normal cake slice. Nothing fancy. So you can see if you are dipping in warm water, your palette knife will move with ease. It will be very easy, smooth flowing. Just like that. Then the next move is to put, then we'll put our chocolate ganache on. We pour it over. So we just clear everything out. Just like that. Now chocolate, you must just be extra careful and extra smart. Just clean so that we will put ganache. So we need to put it in position. So how do you lift like this? Just put your palette knife, put your hand, then you have it. So you position it wherever you want to put it in the. Then we take our chocolate ganache. So we just stir it up. It's super fine and smooth. If it's too thick or it's not running enough, we just put for just a few seconds in the microwave because it must be warm and smooth and runny so that it can flow nicely and have a smooth finish. And it will give a nice and smooth finish of your cake slice. So that's the whole idea why it must be warm. There we go. Yes, there we go. So what do we do? We pour it over our cake slice. We just pour it in the middle. Okay. Just like this. Then you let it drizzle over. Nice. Like that. You let it drizzle over. Because remember, this is chocolate. So for all the chocolate fans, this is your cake. So all the other extra one, just take it off, put it back. Just like that. So you let it drizzle over nicely until it stops. So it means your cake slice is rich and chalky, and it lives up to its name, a chocolate slice. You don't need to look for chocolate. You will get chocolate. It is chocolate all around. There is your chocolate cake slice. So I will show you now how to cut. It's easy. You just need your warm water again. So we're gonna put our warm water in here so that we can get our knife in. So that it's easy to cut. So always when you're making your cake, buttercream cakes with buttercream, warm water is magic. So you put your knife in the warm water. So when you're like this, you can take those, then you make some crumbs and sprinkle over. Okay, so you don't throw away anything, because that leftover sponge, those leftovers, you just make use of them, and there you have a nice chocolate slab. So now we need to cut slices. So I will take a plate. I have 2 plates with me because I want to cut I want to show you 2 slices, 2 different shapes that you can cut from this one. So what you do, this is your knife from the warm water, you cut the edge off. There we go. You take your edges off first, so it will be perfect and straight like this. Then what do? your knife from the water again. So the normal one is just a slice like this. Just cut it straight, simple and straightforward. So this is our first slice. So what do? You are saving your slice. What do? You have your ganache. You have your ganache. You just being artistic and you do this. There we go. So I have my pomegranate fruit with me, just to make use of it. That will be my ganache for decorating, just for the appearance. So we make use of so it's just to appease the appearance. So you drizzle your ganache just like this in your plate that you're gonna put. You're gonna save your cake inside, cake slice. So you take it up just like this, cup.